Ako day si Jessa, isa ka tindera. So taraw bani ko ninyo para ipakita ang ako ang everyday life as tindera. So sa ta magsugod mga pis at ano pampainit lang sa tiyan. By the way, tapos na day kog luto og kanon pati init og tubig. So kada buntag ako ang ginasaka ang roll up para mag-abi na kog tindahan. So right after ana gahugas na kog plato, gapanilhig and gahikay og para pamahaw. And by the way, nagsugod ko ani nga vlog para ma-aware pud ang uban. Awareness about mental and emotional health. And I don't think na bagay sa ako ang vlogging, pero I have this feeling that I have to share my thoughts because of what I have been through for the past almost 2 years. And to start with, I am the eldest in the family, so the pressure is really inherent. And at the very young age, I have witnessed how poor our life back then. So nahimo kong breadwinner. Og naana jud kayo kong trabaho. I became a working student og naka-eskwela og tulo ka course, so adisir jud ko naka-graduate. And on top of that, dugay jud ko naka-graduate tungod kay taas ang interval sa akong pag-undang og eskwela. And kabalo ko nga dili na ni bag-o sa tanan kay halos kita tanan nag-agi og kalisod. Pero you know what's sad? Kanang ingnon ka nga wa ka graduate og college day kay nagtindera naman ka. Ug grabe ka sakit, mura ko gidunggab, may pagidunggab kung tinuod nimo kol. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with being a tindera, oy. And because of that devastating single thought, you know that I suffered early signs of depression, anxiety attacks, and even attempted bad thing towards myself. And how I know those things? I die, dili lang kung isa ka adlaw, kundi straight 3 to 5 months ko nga gasigig hilak. I was really concerned about everything about single thing, and walay gana ikaon, and grabe akong weight loss. Dili gyud sayon. Busa ang pingi ang inyong inner peace, kay dili lalim kung affected ang imong mental o emotional health. And my advice to all who suffering in this situation, I have discovered a very significant answer to this problem. And that is, read your Bible. Kasing-kasing aning tinderaha goes to all graduating students, fresh graduates, those who interrupted their schools, and those who are losing their hope. Guys, naatay pag-asa. Read the Bible. So maurad to, og daghan kayong salamat sa pagpaminaw sa ako ang gamay nga tambag gikan sa isa ka tindera. Bye-bye! See you next vlog! Amping tanan!